Please completely power off the sauna by unplugging the power cord from the dedicated circuit wall outlet, or turn the dedicated circuit breaker for the sauna off prior to. Unmount the tablet by pulling the top and bottom straight out from the wall, or you can use the orange tablet removal tool to pry the tablet out towards you. Continue pulling the tablet until it is completely unmounted from the brackets in the front wall cavity. Disconnect the blue and black circular wire connector from the back of the tablet. This can be done by pressing the small black clip on the side of the circular connector to aid in removal. The tablet is now untethered from the wall completely, carefully set aside on the bench. While you complete the rest of the steps, pick up the replacement tablet and reconnect the blue and black circular wire connector to the back of the tablet. Check that the wiring in the front wall cavity is tucked inside the wall. Remount the tablet back into the front wall cavity by aligning the four corners to match the white brackets inset at the corners in the front wall cavity. Once lined up, press the tablet flat onto the wall, and you will feel it click flush into place. Moving to the roof of the sauna, remove the dust cover from the right side of the roof panel to expose the KC150 host machine. Disconnect the red and black circular wire connector from the back of the host machine. This can be done by pressing the small black clip on the side of the circular connector to aid in removal. Disconnect the USB cable. Disconnect the blue and black connection. Disconnect the circular black cable. Disconnect the 4-pin connector. Disconnect the 3-pin connector with the red and white wires and the yellow and black wires. Once all cables have been disconnected, carefully set the host machine aside on the bench while you complete the rest of the steps. With the host machine in hand, reconnect the 4-pin connector. Reconnect the 3-pin connector. Reconnect the circular black cable. Connect the blue and black connection. Reconnect the USB cable to the longer of the two USB cables coming from the rear of the host machine. Reconnect the red and black circular connection. Note the shorter USB connection is extra and will not be used. Ensuring the host machine wires are all tucked into the roof cavity, secure the dust cover on the roof. Plug in or turn on the breaker to now enjoy your sauna sessions with the new KC150 tablet.